This is the next viral food trend, and it's not just a regular egg drop soup. I usually only cook for my husband and kids. I don't like to cook for myself. But when I'm hungry, this is my go-to recipe. Egg drop soup with a twist. It's not authentic, but it's my take on it. And it's the next viral food trend. Add a heaping tablespoon of mushroom powder to boiling water, then crack and beat your eggs and set them aside. Here's where my twist comes in. I like it spicy, so I add plenty of the samyang spicy sauce. Another trick is melting a slice of cheese in the stock. This makes the soup so creamy. You can choose whatever type of cheese you like, but I usually like the Swiss cheese. Make sure you melt it completely, then make a quick slurry of water and cornstarch. Get the soup to a boil, then add the slurry. Let it come to a boil to thicken up. Then while your heat is at medium-low, slowly start drizzling the beaten egg while stirring. Make sure you stir slowly, you don't want to beat the egg inside of the soup. Then you'll get these beautiful ribbons that kind of make me feel like I'm eating noodles. Immediately turn off the heat after you're done, then add chopped scallions or chives. And then enjoy this bowl of goodness. I make this recipe several times a week since I don't like to cook for myself, and this is super easy and simple, something that I can make in 10 minutes. Try my twist on the egg drop soup and you will not regret it. Bon appétit, or as we say in Egypt, بالهنا والشفا.